What's up guys, Viper FPV here, and today we have our February 2019 FPVCRATE box. I know it says drone drop, but I guess since these came from China, I guess they just use drone drop boxes this month. So don't let the box fool you. This is an FPVCRATE box, or maybe it is a backed drone drop box. Well, we never know, right? But let's go ahead and do an unboxing. I do these every month. I do FPVCRATE along with Quad Box. Drone Drop is not around anymore. I believe FPVCRATE purchased Drone Drop is why they have all their assets and all their things. That's what I assume. So let's go ahead and unbox it, and then I'll give you my thoughts of what I thought about this month's box. So let's go ahead and take a look. So, put these to the side and take a look at these stickers real quick. So it looks like we get 6% off Team Black Sheep. I guess stuff from Get FPV. Little sticker sheet. And then looks like this was kind of like a sorry and kind of why the boxes were so late. Since this is, a February box and we're getting it in March. So, yep, you can read that if you want to. Then we got 3 sets of props here. We got, let's see here, T5146 clear orange props, 3 sets of those. Cool. And then we got a glass ND filter. Okay. Alrighty. And then this month for the boost, looks like we got ourselves a TBS Unify Pro 32HV. It's actually not a cheap VTX. I think these VTXs are around $49.99. So you're kind of almost getting your value. I mean, I think we're pretty much purchasing these. I mean, that's not really good value of this box. Oh, and then we also have this antenna. So I guess that does add a little more value to it. I think these, how much? I'm not really sure how much these antennas are. I think anywhere from $10 to $20 maybe. But, so I mean, we're getting our money's worth of what we purchased, at least. Not crazy excited because they were really hyping up this box this month, and just for a VTX is kind of disappointing. I mean, this VTX is really awesome because you can do smart audio, has smart audio 2.1, along with if you have Crossfire, it can hook up to your Crossfire ecosystem, and you can go ahead and get like more advanced like RSSI and stuff, kind of like the Evo. And you can also update this as well through TBS Agent. I think you just have to hook it up through your Crossfire receiver, and they can do some updates that way, I believe is how I was reading up on it a few months ago. But this does go up to 1 watt, so that's actually not a bad deal. I'm definitely be using this on probably my 6-inch build I'm going to be building here soon. Let me know, guys, in the comment section down below. Do you want me to see a video of me building a 6-inch? Or did you guys don't want to? Let me know. But also let me know down in the comment section what you thought about this month's box. It's a little disappointing because they really were hyping up this box quite a bit. At least we got our money's worth, unlike some other boxes I've had in the past where they have a really tough month sourcing product, and you kind of get less than your money's worth. But so that's pretty much it. I appreciate you guys watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do FPVCRATE, Quad Box, and I do tons of tutorials along with reviews of different bite and fly drones to all bunch of different stuff FPV related. So I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.